We textured these 3D models in minutes using Grok and Meshy AI Texturing. Here's how. First, upload your 3D model to Meshy Workspace. For the best results, make sure your model follows the upload guide. For example, ensure your model faces the Y-axis if you're using Blender. Once uploaded, you're ready to texture it using either text or image prompts. Need inspiration for your text prompts? Use Grok to enhance your ideas for better results. For example, try this prompt. Grok will refine your prompt for better texture generation. Copy the enhanced prompt and paste it into Meshy. Click Texture and watch it transfer into a textured model. Want to experiment? Change style keywords, like switching World of Warcraft style to Pixar style, to explore different looks. Try Meshy AI Texturing and level up your 3D models with stunning textures. Happy creating!